I am interested in reviewing and optimizing your distribution line load flow and motor start calculation spreadsheets. As an experienced engineer, I would be happy to provide guidance and assistance to enhance the functionality and accuracy of your program. The specific areas of focus include load flow calculations and motor start calculations. Regarding load flow calculations, I would review the underlying algorithms and ensure they adhere to industry standard methods. I would verify the handling of line parameters, load characteristics, and voltage regulation. I would also optimize code efficiency to improve computation time. Regarding motor start calculations, I would examine the motor starting current and torque calculations. I would ensure the program considers motor ratings, voltage dip, and starting duration. I would also explore methods to incorporate soft starters or variable frequency drives to mitigate voltage disturbances. The scope of collaboration includes the following steps. 1. You provide me with a copy of your spreadsheets and access to any supporting documentation. 2. I review the code, identify areas for improvement, and provide specific recommendations. 3. We work together to implement the suggested optimizations and enhance the overall performance of your program. I understand and respect your commitment to maintaining an open source program. Any optimizations or modifications we make during this collaboration will be shared back with you for further development and distribution. I assure you that I will treat all information provided with the utmost confidentiality. As you mentioned, your program is offered no cost. I am happy to provide my time and expertise to support your efforts to improve this valuable tool for the electrical engineering community.